From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of flimsy hangers that can't hold your heavy jackets and suits? Look no further than the Utopia home wooden hangers, specifically designed to keep your clothes organized and wrinkle-free. These slim suit hangers are made from solid wood, giving them a sturdy texture that can hold even the heaviest garments without bending. The contoured shoulders distribute weight evenly, preventing shoulder marks or sagging, and the smooth finish protects fabrics from snags, giving your clothes a soft feel. With the 360 degrees chrome hook, you can easily access every garment without removing the hangers, making it simple to select your outfit for the day. The hook rotates smoothly, giving a satisfying click as it turns, and the non-slip design features precise shoulder notches that hold dresses, tank tops, and jackets firmly in place, preventing slipping and stretching. This means you can hang your delicate clothing with confidence, knowing it will stay secure and wrinkle-free. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed these hangers, and it's clear why they are so popular. The Utopia home wooden hangers are versatile and can be used for pants, suits, sweaters, jeans, and other strappy clothes. They maximize closet capacity, keeping shirts, trousers, coats, pants, and skirts well arranged, and their stable frame prevents clothing deformation, creating a cleaner and more efficient wardrobe setup. Whether you're hanging a heavy winter coat or a lightweight summer dress, these hangers are up to the task. They're perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their closet organization, and with their durable wood construction, they'll last for years to come. So why settle for flimsy, cheap hangers when you can have the best? Try the Utopia home wooden hangers today, and see the difference for yourself. With their high capacity and easy setup, you'll be wondering how you ever managed without them. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.